Over the next few million years, some of our ancient relatives left Africa, discovered fire, tools, and clothes. The human species evolved and multiplied. But due to climate changes, the only modern humans to survive were those that stayed in Africa. This woman is the mother of all mankind, the common ancestor from whom we all descend. She lived 150,000 years ago in East Africa, and everyone on Earth is related to her. 80,000 years ago, severe climate conditions have again reduced the number of modern humans to fewer than 10,000. They are scattered throughout Africa in small groups. In an effort to find food, one group living on the east coast attempted a crossing of the Red Sea to the far coast of Yemen, a distance of only 10 miles, but a difficult and dangerous journey. They were successful, and every non-African in the world today is descended from this group. While some of our ancestors stayed in Yemen, others moved east along the coast of the Indian Ocean looking for warm, gentle places to stop. It took 6,000 years after reaching Yemen, but our ancestors ate their way to Malaysia. 6,000 miles from Africa, they were deep in the tropical rainforest of Southeast Asia, living a life of hunting and gathering. They roamed in small bands. They stayed in one place only long enough to reap the harvest of the wildlife, and then they moved on. Their bodies gradually adapted to the rainforest conditions. Away from the harsh African sun, their skins became lighter, and their stature was reduced by a lack of meat. The Toba eruption happened in Sumatra 74,000 years ago. It was the single biggest explosion on Earth in the last 2 million years. The plume was 25 miles high, and it plunged much of the world into 6 years of ash-covered darkness. Once again, our ancestors had to move to survive. 74,000 years ago, sea levels were 160 feet lower than today, and most of the islands of Southeast Asia were joined together in a single land mass. Running to escape from the Toba eruption, humans were pressured to cross to the unknown continent of Australia. 100 miles of shark-infested seas was an intimidating barrier. But amazingly, the evidence suggests that wave after wave of our ancestors made this perilous journey. For 30,000 years, harsh deserts blocked the passage from Yemen into Europe. But a favorable climate shift finally brought the rain. Rivers swelled and the game spread north, and our ancestors followed the game. They spread quickly into the Mediterranean, then south along the coast into North Africa, and up through the Balkans, and into Europe.